Meet John and Joe. They're friends. Both of them are engineers, and both of them are responsible for the performance of their individual plants. John's in trouble, though. He's faced with constant firefighting, questionable asset management strategy decisions, recurring equipment failure, unplanned shutdowns, deferred production, environmental health and safety-related incidents. The small flaws in John's equipment were either unnoticed or not attended to. Coupled with undocumented and poor maintenance strategies, it led to severe financial and safety consequences. John hardly did any statutory inspections. Legal compliance was jeopardized, and he was exposed to massive penalties. And no one likes penalties. The difference? Joe understands the objectives of asset integrity management. He wanted a productive, profitable, safe, and reliable plant where his assets performed their required function effectively and efficiently, where he delivered the business's requirements, he complied to legal requirements, and maximized return on assets and minimized the business risks, while at the same time maintaining shareholders' values and safeguarding life and the environment. Joe knows the management of physical assets, selection, maintenance, inspection, and renewal play a key role in determining the operational performance, safety, and profitability of an organization. Deterioration processes, such as fatigue cracks and corrosion, will always be present to some degree. His challenge is to ensure the integrity of his engineered systems, such as structures, pressure vessels and piping, pipelines, and process systems, are maintained optimally throughout the anticipated service life of the asset. As Joe could not run this program on his own, he was making use of a team of experienced engineers from Bureau Veritas that helped him with the asset integrity management. He had access to a central information source, accurate information and data history, and constantly made reliable decisions regarding maintenance strategies. He has well-established maintenance plans. Reliability of assets were determined and continuously improved on a cost-effective basis. He understands the failure mechanisms of his assets. He ensures the test and inspection plans are executed and corrective actions are implemented. He delivers operational value and enhances the longevity of assets through formal operating and maintenance procedures and failure analysis. Joe made and saved his company stacks of money. Look how happy he is. He had procedures in place and a structured approach for preventing catastrophic incidents. He was compliant to regulatory requirements. He optimized maintenance of his assets through balancing performance, risk, and costs over their life cycle in order to achieve his organization's strategic plans. Joe's advice to John is to contact Bureau Veritas, as they provide him with the following services: maintenance master data setup and cleanup, critical equipment identification, asset management strategies and plans development and optimization, operating and maintenance procedures development, failure analysis, reliability studies, fitness for service assessments, training, compliance audits, corrosion control plans, machinery safety inspections, risk-based inspection systems and studies, pipeline integrity management systems. Their approach is to ensure that people, systems, and equipment work in concert to sustainably solve challenges and guarantee asset integrity and longevity over the whole life cycle of the asset. John is a hot mess. He could have had a plant that looks and operates like Joe's, had John only called Bureau Veritas. Don't be like John. Be more like Joe.